This video explains how to create a Facebook ad post in Canva, guiding you from choosing a template to exporting a final file ready for Facebook Ads Manager. You begin by searching for Facebook ad in Canva, which provides properly sized templates. Pick a design that fits your brand style or start with a blank canvas. Replace placeholder text with a strong headline, a short supporting message, and a clear call to action. Keep text brief and readable, especially for mobile viewers. Update fonts and colors to match your brand identity, using only a few styles for consistency. Add images or videos by uploading your own files or using Canva's library. Choose visuals that emphasize your offer and leave space for text. If the background feels crowded, use a semi-transparent shape to improve contrast. Enhance your layout with simple elements like shapes, icons, and lines to highlight important details without cluttering the design. Maintain clean alignment and balanced spacing with Canva's smart guides. For video ads, use short clips and subtle animations so the message stays clear even without sound. Preview your design at full size to check readability, then zoom out to verify overall balance. When finished, export the ad in the format that suits your needs: PNG for sharp static graphics, JPG for smaller file sizes, or MP4 for animated ads. Name your file clearly and upload it to Facebook Ads Manager to complete your campaign setup. Make sure your message remains focused, visually clean, and aligned with your campaign goals. Test different layouts or color combinations to see which version communicates your offer best. Small adjustments, like spacing, contrast, or icon placement, can significantly improve clarity and engagement. Consistency across all your ads helps build brand recognition, so reuse your chosen fonts, colors, and visual style in future designs. Canva's tools allow quick edits, making it easy to refine your ad until it feels polished and professional.